look under it. I'm gonna buy something I can wear because I don't have brief my what do you call this? My shirts are I have to wear it many times. Yes. So I just have just a pair or two pairs of clothes. So I'm just gonna go guys. So check you later guys. Gonna end this live now. Maybe later I'm gonna do sleep stream in the evening. So thank you for all of your support guys. So, I have to. I'm gonna search, I'm gonna look someone who massage. My body's not doing good. Aching all around. My back hurts. Now I need a massage. Out picture. Flexing the biceps. Okay guys, thank you so much for all of you, and I'm gonna end this live now. I'm gonna go buy some used clothes. Just gonna buy some used clothes because it's much cheaper than the brand new clothes. Some just cheap clothes. So again, subscribe and click that notification bell. What's wrong with that? 19 people subscribe. Subscribe guys, 19 people, hi, hello, and shout out to all of my channel subscribers, subscription, channel members, all of my friends there, supporters, and shout out to Sweet Cherry. Sweet Cherry, thank you so much for supporting me since last year and now. And to my friend, my best friend is from California. Shout out to you. Hello to Andrew Sapiro. Thank you so much. And to all of my channel member guys. Just wanna see something here. Thank you so much. EJK, BJK, EJK, BJK, Steven Taylor, si Anja, Vince Jomer, Marcelo Masuna, and Georgie. Thank you so much for the support. And again, a big heart for all of you guys. I love you all. So, that's all. Bye bye.